Nyana neko, nyana no neck, nyana neko, nyana neko. Nyana neko, neko.
Hey,
Neko. Neck,
Ayo.
Neko.
I'm in the corner. I got my corner. I got my corner, yeah. I guess Pippa's not streaming. I didn't hear anything. Ooh. My goodness. Pip and Pippa. I knew she was like going to Japan soon, but I don't know exactly when she's going. The cards come out, so not quite. Still costs quite a bit, but- It's kind of crazy. You get like an artist like replying back to your like a Japanese artist replying back to one of your things. I'm a manga artist and illustrator. Speaking of serializing, I don't know they're a dime a dozen. Let me set up the music here. Then I'll show you all. I've been kind of enjoying this X. This X and this X Japanese and Japan and America. What's it called? Like how like the timelines are mixing a bit. Yeah, they just woke up. It's great because like the translations. The translations, baby. All right, just gotta find that. There you go. All right. Yeah. So I don't know who this person is a manga artist for. I was trying to find their stuff. They don't have a link, so I don't know. I don't know. But he has like pictures of his daughter and stuff. Like he like blew like $1,500 a yen there, and then like his daughter was watching Farron, like just like seems like just feet away from the freaking TV. Crazy. So I wonder which manga they write. I do follow like there's a couple of manga people I already followed before. Mangekas. Yeah. And then they're showing ooh, looks like popcorn. Ooh. Oh, that's oh man. Uh-oh. Pippa would this is pretty much Hot Wheels. He has like this bad boy. Hello. Just checking out this this mangaka. It's like checking out. It looks like they like been investing in old cameras. Yeah. Yeah, I just been following them. Anyways. I don't follow them, but I don't know, nails are pretty long. Ouch. I'm back to being a cat, I guess. Manual film is fun. Yeah. Yeah. Back in the day, baby. Back in the day, baby. Still using like manual film. I like disposable cameras. Those are like sort of a breakthrough. That's what people get. those disposable cameras. What was I looking at? Hold on a second. I was thinking. I was wanting to look up something. Oh, Pippa. I didn't see like I didn't see where if she called the day off or whatnot. What the fuck is this? Vash, Pipkin Pippa, number one auntie. Oh. Spoon. Lead poisoning and nuggets. Those nuggets are gonna kill you. Loser gets deported. I think like chat, I have a gun. Pick your Pippa. You didn't sell a single coffee last month. Graduate me. What the fuck is this? So anyways, I was like trying to see if there's like any models out there. All like the models look like it's too fucking girly for men. What the fuck is this? Pearl Harbor wasn't the worst attack in Japanese ever committed on. It was kudzu? What is kudzu? Holy shit. That's beautiful, dude. That's a thing of art. This is beautiful. I love it. This is beautiful. Beautiful. How am I not able to beautify? Beautiful. This is... Why can't I spell any longer? There we go. They mostly make all female models. Yeah, it's like 95% like female models. Anyways. I still get a notification. What before? Oh. I saw this. Let's keep it muted. I was thinking Pippa would totally dig that. But if it was like a taxi, yeah, adding turrets to a taxi would be better. That'd be way. That's like the direction she's heading now. I don't know, like I think she wants to become a taxi. I literally think she wants to become a taxi. So when Henya gets off, I'm going to clip her. Yeah, I think I'm gonna clip her. Yeah. So it might be a shorter stream. She's been yapping like the entire freaking time. I might do a couple clips of her. We'll see. So I've been kind of going through here, and like anytime it says like must, I'm like deleting it. I'm switching it to like this says must element. Whoa. I'm doing like element. Fuck. I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, and like I came on here too, and I noticed my fucking like theme changed. I'm thinking this might be it. I can't remember what it used to look like, but like it was like set to like this, like yours. And I was like, what the fuck is going on here? I was like, what the fuck is going on here? I don't remember like ever doing this, ever changing it. I think it was this before. How many days has it been? I don't know, man. This project might take months. But like, what I gotta do is like take these out because I guess they were thinking I just wanted to do something that wasn't production. And So yeah, I gotta take all these must elements because they'll like panic on you, and then like just close your program, and it's like, dude, I don't need that. Yeah, curator, comma air, car dot element. So then I can put this in here. I can understand like why they kind of do some of this stuff, because like here, like this returns like a rod element, but this also returns a rod element, but also returns an error. So I guess it's a good thing it won't panic on me. Yeah, because if it doesn't find this, it'll fucking error out and panic. Yeah, that's kind of shitty. Yeah, it's gonna get pissed at me for this. In the meantime, I'm prepping for future interviews. The essay questions are a pain. Do my 6 months prep while hoping for interviews. I need to get a job someday. Aaron getting... I don't even know what DSA is. What is DSA? Domestic Socialists of America. What the fuck, dude? For real? You're interviewing... You're kidding? Democratic Socialists of America interviews for them. Programming questions. Oh. Data structure. Oh. I like data structures. Go like leak code, baby. I better put this in. I had a friend that was like, the guy that was in the lab with me, he was fucking going on leak code all the time, and just like, he really wanted to go into Google. Turned out he was like he used to be part of the communist, the Chinese communist army. I hear curse at times. Yeah. He was a part of the communist army. I should have probably reported him. This is during the Trump administration, like back in 2017 or something like that. When he told me that, I was like, what? I'm sure, I don't know if he let it slip or... It probably doesn't matter. Like, no matter what, like if you're like... But like, he ends up, got a job at Google. Yeah. What is this, like, curator? Like, what the fuck is going on in here? What the fuck? Oh. Shit, I deleted. Okay. Must attribute. I guess, preview card. I guess like A data? I don't know. What should I call this? AL. There we go. A element. And then curator. Trim prefix. A element. Shit. A element dot attribute. Then we'll bring in the name string and then do ooh. I'm not a guy going into big tech type of deal here. Okay, so what am I doing here? Oh, I want to look for href. What the fuck is here? What's going on here? Oh. Ooh. Aaron getting curator link. Element. Href attribute. If okay, she's done. If curator not equal to nil. Oh, if it does equal nil. I guess it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna make a blank. Do 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 do. So I think I fixed that. Clip simple. And I think like in here, I'm gonna make this a function in itself. Oh, I did that. I don't want to listen to this song. Tell it to my heart. Tell me I'm the only one. I think I could put this in its own function. Clips. Clips. Clip links. What are clips? I think I just need to return like, what are clips? Oh, here. Where do I make clips? What the fuck, dude? What the fuck, Dio? Okay, Henya's done. I'm gonna wait a few minutes though. I make clips here. All right. But I think I just get rid of it, right? I think I can fucking do this. Because this could be reused. I've been copying and pasting this the entire time, so file close. I think this almost this entire thing here I can. No, I don't need that part. Clip links. Oh shit. You're gonna get DMCA for that? For what? What'd I do? Oh gosh. For singing. My Sharona. All right, I'm not gonna do it right now. I can't fuck with it. My brain can't fucking handle it. I almost need a break from this shit. Almost. Hina Bobina's on. My first dream of a VTuber was with Hina Bobina. I don't even watch her that much. Henya. I had a dream about Henya. She's looking for an apartment. I was helping her find one. And she was just as bad at driving in my dreams as she is IRL. Oh my gosh. I can't wait till I don't have to do this any longer. You can barely remember your dreams? Mine are all vivid. I have like I've been having lucid dreams lately. Not like every time, but like when I say lately, it means like I've had like a couple over the past year. Usually, like when you figure out they're lucid, you're gonna wake up like immediately. You got like precious seconds before you wake up. Henya cooking. Let her cook. Which run out of space. Oh my gosh, I got like nothing almost left. All right. 2 terabytes total. Hey, you ever had a fully lucid? So here's like a trick for sort of having lucid dreams. It's not a full-on, you don't get like a full-on dream typically. but you'll like have like I would almost say hallucinations like with your eyes closed. You just hold like going to bed, like lights are off, you don't have any distractions or anything like that. And you lay down and you go to sleep. Basically, you just lay there and you close your eyes and you don't move. And like you'll feel like an itch or something after like a few minutes, like 10 minutes or so. Like don't scratch it. Do not scratch it. Don't move. Just ignore it. It could be like it could be kind of itchy. Usually it's like tolerable, right? At least it's for me. Henya yapping. And then, how do I put it? And then like, you'll start like you'll start slowly like hallucinating. Like your body's like checking to see if you're asleep because it's gonna like, supposedly it's gonna start putting the REM. And so like, what's that stuff that like keeps, like you don't move during REM. So, I never tried moving it in the middle of it because I want to enjoy the show. So I never really tried moving during it. But it feels like I can't move. Right? Maybe that's part of it. What the fuck is going on up there? That was weird. All right. You can't move. You don't want to move. You're dreaming. Oop, got a question mark in there. I think I just got to do that. Yay. Cat downloader. I meant to fucking like program this morning, and I just like I was like, I'm gonna rest. I set my alarm for like a couple hours basically. I'm gonna rest. I slept through that alarm. I woke up, I thought it said like 12:40. I was like, ah, fuck man, like it's 12:40. Shit. And I was like scrolling through X a bit and everything, and then I like checked my like clock again, and then it said like 2:45. I was like, what the fuck? Yeah, I was like, holy shit. Man, this, what the fuck, man? Oh, this is very good still. I'm gonna grab her YouTube chat. So she repeated back some of the things I said. Always be coding. Where's the Henya? Oh, that's me. I'm ruining Henya's innocence. That was like one of my first clips. So, Henya? Cat coding. I said I was gonna code, but I might just do a clip. I should probably change the thumbnail. Let's grab this. Oh, you can't grab it yet. Her chat's not available. Algorithm gang. Okay, so I'm gonna, I guess like, I'll copy this. And then, oh fuck. Hold on a second. I didn't do the fast download. Okay, I guess I'll program for like 40 minutes and then I'll clip. Oh, it's the not a cat bit, not a thing anymore. On the thumb, did you notice the thumb? I took it off. So I thought about taking it off. I don't know. I took it off today. It was like the first day. Yeah. It was the first day, man. I don't know. I just kind of... I almost want to like go into the Shota model. I kind of picked it up. Haruto. I got it for free. I'm not a cat any longer. I was kind of playing around with the model a little bit. Did I close it? Yeah, I did close it. Let me check something here. Man, I almost want to cancel this and redo it. Oh, it just sped up incredibly. Now it just went back down. Fuck it. All right, let's program a little bit. What you could do is get one of them female customized models holding my avatar. Ooh, yeah. I kind of got like, okay, so check out this. Like, I bought this off somebody, but the problem is they only have one eye, so I can't do like I can't do the homophobic eyes. But I guess you can change the color. I think I can change the color of like the heterosexual. So yeah, like what's her face got this. Oh, I like the lips. Cha-Cha, your V-mom, she got this. And I guess I can do this today here. We'll have like some, there we go. So I was like, oh man, that's fucking perfect. I'm gonna use this. But I couldn't change both the eyes. I was like, motherfucker. What the fuck, man? But I wonder now, like I can kind of go in here and change some things. Maybe I can change the eyes in here too. I was like changing the colors. You know, you can do it in VTube Studio. You can kind of like change some of the eyes colors and shit. And yeah, so what the fuck, Dio? Here, I'll keep myself here. So, oh shit, not that one. But you can go to like the settings and like start VTube Studio. What the fuck? Well, there's expression editor. I don't know like what I can do in here. Oh, light hands. Okay. Oh, what's this cushion? Wait a second. Maybe I'll be on cushion air. I'll be on the cushion. All right. What's this? Round pupils. I'll be on the cushion here. What is this? Oh, this is just like the head and shit. The physics are like way better on this one. I think the one I have use effect. Okay, so I'm gonna save this one. I like the cushion. What the fuck, man? Wait a second. Is there a pushing? Wait a second. Trigger. Round pupil. What is this? How do I know which one's a cushion? This is light hand. What does this say? Cushion. Combination N3. Oh shit, wrong thing. There we go. So I'll be on the cushion here. So like there's like some things you can map to other things like should we close this? No. We're gonna go here. I think here? Like you can change like the size of your pupils and stuff like here. Okay, here. Is it here? All right, so is there breathing? Yeah, I would be okay, auto breath, that's good. All right. Brow height left. Oh my. I don't really have brow. So like blush when smiling. Where's the blush? Maybe I can be lighter or something? All right. So you can do like an input and I think my ears wiggle a little bit like when I do my eyebrows. Ha! Ha! I don't know, you can see like mouth open, brows, tongue out. You can check the outputs and shit. Light, mid, dark. What the fuck is this? Okay, I think these are already taken here. Pupil. I thought I said fireball. Huh. I don't feel like changing much shit, to be honest with y'all. But maybe I can like I was hoping like to change my color. I mean, I said I blush, but I don't see any blushing. Pet mod? What the fuck is this? N1. I don't know. Maybe I can have like a trigger for that. I've never like really delved like too much on stuff in VTube Studio. But this should be like, okay, hotkey name, pet. Pet me. All right, this one is cushion. Cushion arm. So this is like a toggle, so like cushion arm. Arm. What is this? Light hand. Oh, okay. Dark light hand. Oh, you know what I could do? I could start with like a PNG if like and put it in the background and just like have me in front and have the arm out. Oh yeah, baby. I can do that. AI gen. Yeah. Let's do this. What the fuck? I'll be this guy today. Mr. Fluffles. Prince Fluffles on his cushion. Give me Fancy Feast. If you don't give me Fancy Feast right now. I do wish the cat was lighter though. It's kind of dark. Evil Mr. Fluffles. Yeah. Evil Mr. Fluffles. Update Twitch. All right, so name. YouTube parser. Okay. Data handler. Let me just make sure. I think I added something like time of day. So I want to move this. There you go. I'm going to move this here. What the fuck? Where'd it go? There you go. Okay. Last update. Here we go. Oh yeah. I'm so burnt out on this. I'm like, okay, so, all right, I know what to do. I know what to do. Why am I in here? Okay. Is there like an update? Add channel. Oh, I probably don't do this. Ooh. Let's go into Fman. Handler, mutex, data handler. Okay. Okay, content. Add new creator. We did that. Funk run. So we're gonna have like a funk run or something. I don't know. We'll do that later. In here though, like we're gonna have a create thing, and that's where we'll like set shit up. Oh my gosh, am I really out of drinks? 20 more minutes. All right. I kind of feel like, ooh. Time of day, check clip archive. Okay. Time of day. update. And I think like we should have like a schedule, right? Oh my gosh. Like a weekly schedule ish. Because like I kind of want to like be able to typical streaming time, but it would be better. Yeah, okay. I think I'm gonna do like a. Remember when I said I was gonna have like a notification thing? I want to receive notifications and through email, so that'll be like a whole other bag of joy. All right, so I don't want any of those. F man. Okay, so let's have it like so like update channel. Ooh, I should like. All right. Is it in here? Okay. I know I had like TW HTML parser, but I am like gonna be doing way more to this. Gmail has some good integrations. Ooh, have to do that. I think I want to do Gmail anyway because like I tried like setting up like my phone on I was wanting to like get direct messages onto my iPhone from Prometheus. I can't remember the name of the thing, but you can't do that because it's like it's a whole different means to do email. Yeah. Webhooks on Discord could work. Oh, I thought I saw that thing. I didn't know what you're talking about with that. But yeah, I'll have to check that out too. But I was just like, I was thinking about just becoming like, set it up so I, I could just get emails for all notifications for like Twitch or YouTube. Archive check availability now. What? I kind of want to like channel update. Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't want to have it here. Oh, wait a second. I do want to like update this shit. All right. So, okay. So the stuff I could do in here. Ooh. Yes. Funk. C star channel. This is like this is going way beyond like parsing. To document your code as you go. Uh-oh. Yeah. Archive check if available now. Oh. Checks. This shouldn't be in this here. This should be in clip parser. Archive check. Clips available. There we go. Checks. checks channels. Archive. Check clips. Archive clips check. That's it. Checks the archived clips data and sees if they are available. If not, internally, they will count the days, count the number of times checked, and will be deleted. Deleted. Oh my goodness. Deleted after archive max days. There we go. All automatic. Channel. So I guess like check for updates. Ooh. Oh. Do I already have that? Get links? It's get links. Here, I know what I need. I need update. Update. Like I want to update these things. Chat path. I don't need to do this here. I don't need to do this here. I guess I could put it in here. If this was like, gosh, I really want to, if this was private, that'd be great. But they're not, since I'm saving it. It's my drink. They're not private, so fuck it. Fuck it. Chicken's in a bucket. I want to update it in here. All right. Update file paths. There we go. Can I copy that? I know it's going to be like repetitive for this. And I can do it outside of this, but I think it would be better to do it like this. Or would it not? See, if I do it here, then I'm gonna like know where I did it, right? Let's just do this right now. Expected identity? Fuck off. Funk run. Funk. Okay, so Handler. Meow, 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 meow. I hate myself. I don't know where to put this shit. You can put it anywhere, right? Where do I want to like handle it? I feel like I should just like rename this. Data handler. The shit I have to go through. Okay. Damn it. I'm doing it all in here, man. I'm doing it all in here. I think it just makes the most sense. So I was thinking about doing it outside of it. But I gotta like update these things anyway, right? So yeah. And I can either do, oh, wait a second. Ooh. I'll do an HTML parser because that stuff doesn't need to be necessarily available here. And like, I think I can like, ooh, I got an idea. I got a great idea. Here I can make everything fucking, I was going to save it all on this. Do I save it here? Ooh, I do save it here. Ooh, shit. That's okay. Like, I can do like, I think I can do it all here. I think I'm going to do it all here. I'm going to do it all here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Quit being a bitch. What's going on here? Did I do something? What did I do? Oh, okay, okay, okay. So this was going to be the file manager, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Or maybe I will. I don't know. But I think like maybe this will be like archive file manager. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I think I'm going to do it all here. So like, we got like the content creator. Yeah. I think you would like the structure. Oh. C star content creator. Get content. Get content, baby. Or wait a second. Download content? So we got like, oop. Create handler, yeah. What the fuck? Ooh, I know what to do. Oh, baby. Download content. Okay, so I kind of almost want to like flag it. Do I need an index now? I think I'm going to have like a... Add channel. Contains. Update YouTube. Update channels. Are we really going through all those? Ooh, get links. Okay. I gotta go in there and do some shit on that. Yeah, I think I need to index it because, like, I want to have, like, what I'm doing, I'm stacking the new stuff on top. I'm trying to think here. I guess I can do, like, obviously you want to, like, do, like, the older stuff first. I'm gonna have to put it in here. Yeah, let's go in there. I was wanting to kind of do it on top, so it'll be kind of hidden to that. So, ooh, date. Because I don't want to keep on searching. So, stream. I guess, like, oldest not updated. Nah. Oh, okay. I know what I'll do. Go retains my beloved. Okay, oldest not updated. Okay. And go routines will work. Yeah, I'm gonna do go routines. I'm gonna be doing I'm already doing go routines. So, get links. Oldest. Wait a second. Here we go. I know what to do. I know what to do. So I initially just like threw them in here, right? Maybe I'd need to have like better organization and like I got like streams, right? Ooh, this made it like really fucking complicated. They're all pointers though, right? They're all pointers. So what I did here, okay, so you know, notice how I did like the clips info, and then it actually goes through like well, okay, archived clips check. So this goes through and checks like archived clips that I had that were not like that I experienced an error and that I want to try later, because like maybe the stream is not available yet, right? Which could be the case, like, or like I haven't like done an update. Like I can go back and then like I can say, hey, these are the clips for this URL. So I kind of like go through. I grab a clip and then I go through the copy streams link. Ooh. Or the problem is that like I'm constantly building this. And I was wanting to take it out. Maybe I can have a different section. Oh, wait a second. Ooh. Let me think. I'm thinking. Maybe I can do it outside of this. Oh, shit. I really got to think about this. I think an index would probably be maybe the easiest, and maybe I can just maybe I can switch. I can do the oldest first. Maybe that's, well, then I gotta like see it download. It gets them all like, not the oldest first. It gets them all like how am I trying to say this? It gets them all newest first. So it's newest to oldest. Is that descending? Would that be considered descending? Actually, newest. Like if I'm doing like purely by date, like here, this is the newest and that's the oldest. What is this? Let's see what this is. Can I sort this? So that's ascending. So I'm doing a descending. Okay. Is there an algorithm to have like, okay, so, oh, fuck. It's so much easier to do a counter. Okay, let's think this out. I was thinking about using Grok, but I want to kind of like figure this out in my head. All right, so new. Let's do like 2000 to 2000. This is what they taught me in school. Let's use my school smarts. My C smarts. Here's the thing, I can use a counter, but it's going in the opposite direction since I'm adding new stuff to the end of it. No, I'm adding new stuff to the beginning. So but the problem is, it'd be easier if it was like, if I was adding new stuff to the end. But since everything's like, so if you go like here, let's go to Twitch. Let's just go to Hina. We don't need to listen to her, so she's already muted. Thank goodness. So let's look at her videos and like her past broadcasts. So it gets them and it goes, I guess I can like save them all. I can go back and redo all my code, which I don't really want to do. But maybe I have to. Okay, so like this is like the newest -1, newest -2, newest -3, newest -4. So what I was doing, I copy, like I'll grab this stuff and just throw them on top of the stack. But I need to know, like, that's where I'm needing to get an index counter here. So I need to write it out. So I guess I can count the length of the new stuff coming in. And yeah, I can count the length of the new stuff coming in. And then I can like return like here. No, that's not it. So yeah, so it's like what the fuck? I'm erasing shit. Where's my keyboard? Was I erasing shit or was it just, I was just white? There we go. It was just white. So, what the fuck do I, what? Oh, it's locked. There we go. So, and then, I don't know, I can do like, hello. So I should use letters or something like that. Because numbers will get it anyway. So what, like the new stuff will just comes back, it gets stacked on the top here. I get, okay. So like, let's say I have initialized not doing these here. Let's say it's like, this is end length. And I have done like, and I always want to do oldest first, right? Hello. Thanks. I just did some leak code pattern a couple of weeks ago about stack. So I don't, this is not necessarily like a stack because like, it's kind of like, it's, I don't even want to call it like a, what do they call it? Like a queue? It's not necessarily, it's sort of more like a queue almost. It's kind of like running backwards, right? It's a queue that keeps on getting more. So like I'm gonna be like downloading the videos and stuff like that, going this way as I'm stacking more information on top, and this like keeps on growing and growing and growing and growing. I commented and hear nothing. Oh, hello. Switch to over here. Oh, hello. So, okay. All right, so we are, yeah. So I might like only have like these red, but not these. So these are red already, and these, and this is like a 3, right? So I know I need to go like the len of 3 into it, right? It's just lagging again. Oh, okay. That's cool. Thanks for letting me know. So I'm adding like 4 onto it. So now I know I need to go 7 deep, right? Okay. Can I, ooh, look at that. Sweet. Cool eyes and fur. This is just like another model. I was wanting to use this with a girl VTuber model, but the eyes, the artist only made one eye for both. Because there's like an arm for it, like, yeah. Bro, what the fuck? I gotta go. Have a good night. All right, bye. work on my project again, along with studying more of my DSA interviews. All right, so lim 4 plus 3 equals 7. All right. Look at this and say it's doing the things in batches. It could. I might want to like limit it at times. Sorry. So it's a growing list. You traversing. It could be. Yeah. It could be like if I update new stuff, like the list is growing, and so like I'm holding stuff here that's already. I'm not deleting it because I might have like. Because I can go through here and check to see of this older stuff. Right? But like adding this in would be easier. I guess I can like batch process and store in JSON. I don't know what that is, but I'm probably already doing it. All this stuff is being stored on JSON. I'm just like, I don't understand. Ever loop, you process X amount of videos. Yeah, I mean, like I can. I don't know what you're talking about. All right. I just want to like, don't want to keep on downloading stuff, right? And I don't want to like search through everything and be like, this is like, you know, like I don't want to like search all the things until I hit the end, right? And then be like, okay, I can start here. But then again, I can be like, yeah. Have a primary key. Well, like, I don't know. I mean, like I can just tell it not to download. The title could work. What? I don't understand. Like, what are you going on about? Clip selections. Okay. All right, so let's bring in this thing. On the search part, I feel like you can also do a very conditional search function where you can narrow things down to what you're trying to search for. Oh, wrong keyboard. Okay, so okay, it's not an index, but I guess like last downloaded, and then have an end here. There we go. All right, so ooh. Oldest downloaded, newest downloaded. Here's the thing, like, what if I like do stuff on top? I should always download the oldest first. I think. Oh, wait a second. No. No, I don't need to make this more complicated. I think this would be the best thing. So we do like last downloaded. And so if I like get links. All right, so we're getting the links, URL channel. Does this bring in the channel? Get initializer. Ooh, I think I do this in HTML parser. And yeah, I don't want to over engineer it. Like I was saying, like, I think just always downloading the last, the oldest one first would be smartest. Eventually I'll catch up, right? Yeah. So, but like the thing is, like, what I'm gonna have is like, this will have like I'll do Go routines and I'll have like a certain amount, and like I probably don't want to go over like 10 at a time. I probably don't want to have like 10 more than 10 downloads at a time. I'm thinking. So I think the last downloaded, this will be the best thing to do. Except for like live streams. Like eventually I just want to have like live streams and just like give them as they're doing it. So I kind of wanted to make a repo to show you what I'm thinking, but it has my full name. Ah. All right, so this one here did like add clips info. Add channels. Update switch. Add creator. Add channel contains. Save data. Create handler. I didn't do an update channel yet. Update YouTube. Where's this used? Update channels. Okay. Oh, okay. So the first one is like get links initializer. It's not scrolling down. All right. So this one here, it's usually, this is for the new ones. For this is a new channel, but updating channel. Okay. Update switch. Split. What the fuck? We're just updating. Oh, okay. So I'm putting it all in here. I guess I'll do it here. since they're public. Probably gonna do a lot of file. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's do this on Twitch. We got to do this on YouTube. I got to save something. What the fuck? We need 2 of them for YouTube. All right. What? Last downloaded video. Shoot up thing. All right, there we go. And let's do the same here. SL. Can I just... There we go. And here, let's make sure we do this. There we go. Underscore. You can underscore these nuts. All right. Okay, so we're doing the updates here, right? And I guess like when I first do it, oh shit. Like get strings initializer, it can't be 0. So we got streams, make info, blah, 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 blah. Do we return anywhere in here? I need to change those must launches, must elements. I return the channel there. So, okay. So in here, I do like, just make sure there's like that's the last part. So, okay. So here we'll do like the length of it. So, ch data dot, what? Streams? S download equals len of ch data dot, what? Wait a second. Dot streams? There we go. So that's the length of it. I think I might have to do length -1, because if I put in the length of it, it's going to be +1 from the actual position. So, yeah, I think I have to do that. Right? All right, so that's one there, and then let's do it for YouTube. Okay. This will probably be like this close to it, so I'm just going to copy that. Get links. Does get links initialized? All right, so all right. Oh, wait a second. What the fuck? No ref string. All right. Holy shit. Oh shit. So, okay, so case video, case streams. So, yeah, this is a switch. Range of cards. Bam, bam, bam. So I do pass like a value here. So we'll check the type content. So we'll have like case C type content. And it's not like I can't choose both. I got to do like it one at a time. So, okay. What the fuck is this shit? All right. There we go. Stream. SDL video. Last stream. DL stream. There he goes. Bam. I was thinking about making like almost like an array of things, like but saving it would be a pain in the ass, I think. Like a queue. And then like this would be like old stuff. I was thinking about doing like that. Yeah. I'm still kind of considering it. But then like I'd have to like remove stuff. And I think I'd have to like, yeah, like if I did like an update, it would definitely be a pain in the ass. But I think this will work. Now here's the thing. It all goes backwards. Okay, so update channels. Content creator. Get links, new info. Streams. Okay. Oh, it just puts them in there. So, okay. So we got the streams. And so it looks for it already. If URL not found, append. Okay, we're appending the temp. So here we'll check temp. We'll say c.twitch.lastdl. Plus equals len of temp plus this. There we go. So that makes it go in deeper. Update channels. Case video, case stream, temp. All right, so there we go. This had like a 4 thing. Where's that at? Is that it? All right. Stream. There we go. Fuck. Copy. Video. Hell yeah, brother. That works, right? Okay, so let's like just double check this, make sure it works. Krita. Where's my pen? Where's my pen? So we got like, I don't know, 0, 1, 2, 3, and at position 1, right? I haven't looked at that because that's 0, 1, right? At position 1, and then I'm gonna add like, I'm just gonna use these same numbers. So another 1, 2, 3. So there's 4 of them, right? And if I add that, okay, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'm adding the length. The length of this is 4, right? So if I add 4 to it, and then we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so 4 plus 1. That's position 5. Okay, so that's the last position, right? Oh, wait a second. Shit. Last, I think I want to like do last one Oh, thanks for the raid. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hopefully you all had a good stream. I don't know. What'd you all do? I'm programming myself. I am not an echo. And right now I'm in my prissy cat with red eyes mode. And I am comfily coding. So I said last DL video. I think I want to make it so I haven't DL. Wait a second. What if I did them all? Play Jedi Fallen Order. Nice. 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 Hooked on a feeling. Bow, 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 bow. So wait a second. There's like, which one is that? The sequel or the first one? Can't remember. I played part of the first one out of that, and then I gave up. In the first, I think it was like the first like chapter. I was like, this is a Jedi with a lightsaber, and he literally should be just cutting motherfuckers in two with this lightsaber. Why is it not working that way? The first one? Yeah, that's the one I was like, that was the one I was playing. So much fun. You like it? Ah. Well, good for you. Yeah. So yeah, I think like the last one download, that would be the thing to do. Yeah. Yeah, I was like the first one, like, I don't know, like I stopped in the middle of it. It was like when he got, I can't remember if he was like in the trash or something. Like he was on the train, right? And he kept on going to like the different cars. And then I like got up to like this one car and I was having a hard time with the guy I had to fight. I think it was like a, you know, like a Imperial soldier. Stormtrooper. I think. I was like, all right, I'm done with this. I don't have time for it. My brain too small. Yeah, it was one of them. I was just like, okay. That's like the reason why I won't get in. I don't want to like buy, oh, what's that? Not Dark Souls, but Elden Ring. How have you been? Not a cat? Been good? Yeah. I literally wasn't a cat yesterday. I was for April Fools. I was this. I was in my OG Shota-san. It was sort of a success. Oh shit. I think I might go back to mine. Yeah, this is a free model from Live 2D Cubism. I like how the mouth moves. It's like wow, wow, wow. Like my other character that I, you know, like the cat, this cat model. All the mouth does is move up and down. Wow, wow, wow. It's super complex. I thought about being Miku. Oh shit. Why is she looking that way? I guess I got, yeah. Hi, I'm Miku. It's glad to see my fans. Yeah. Anyways. Maybe I'll be this time. Yeah. Everything returns to Miku. Miku is the void. Miku is the void. Yeah. Pew, pew, pew. All right. So I think I need to do like a yeah. When I'm gonna do an update. Oh, I should do downloads, right? Oh shit. Okay. I think I gotta make that int atomic. I think I gotta make that int atomic. I'm gonna lurk, bro. I'm tired after stream. Just wanted to check. All right, have a good one. Yeah, for those that don't know me, I clip VTubers usually, but right now I got like not to brag or anything, but I'm sort of like MS ECE masters. I got my electrical engineer, computer engineer, master's degree holder myself, but I haven't like applied for jobs for it. So as like an editor and stuff like that, I do like build my own tools. I can program. So I've built my own tools to help me with my clips and finding like good clips and stuff. But I'm kind of sick and tired of having to freaking hand download every fucking video. So I'm kind of like, I am building a program that will help me with that. It is the job. I feels like I work full time doing this. I get paid less than minimum wage. I probably would get paid less hourly than like a server in the United States. Yeah. I don't know if like editing and programming is like, I don't know how what's his face does it. What the fuck is his name? The Primogen. I don't know how he does it. How does he make money doing this shit? I think I was like, so I'm kind of like at the hard part where I'm trying to put things together. He worked at Netflix for like 10 years. Yeah. Did you know that? Hey, if you guys weren't aware, the Primogen used to work at Netflix. That's like an inside joke for them. He used to be like, if you guys didn't know, I am not that meme. I work at Netflix. I do take his yeah. There's a lot of shit that he does that reminds me of myself too. I think it's because I think I'm a little bit older than him. And so like we probably all had, and and I know he used to be like, I don't know where he grew up though. But he used to do like pot and stuff. I think pot. I don't know. I can't remember exactly. He used to be an addict. I'm pretty sure he said that. I think think he grew up in the Midwest. So yeah, that's me. I mean, if you have the degree, shouldn't just work in the field. I don't know you, but that's just my 2 cents. Yeah, I feel you. And so, well, my living situation's kind of complicated. So I got like a daughter that has, she's special needs, and like, she's like really special needs. And like, I'm divorced from my ex-wife. Can you imagine that? I can relate. So yeah, I need to be, and like I live with my parents. I could not do this without their help, but they're getting to like the age, like they're in their 70s, right? And yeah, and like she just turned 18 like a few months ago. By the way, I just got I don't know if I told everybody, but I just got adult guardianship of her. So we had a court hearing yesterday, and yeah, April Fool's, right? And the Passover. So, but yeah, they gave me full guardianship. Heck yeah. But yeah, they can't really like take care of her like at their age. Not like a full time. So once she gets old enough to like be able to live in a shared home, so to speak, I think I'll be like trying to find a job out there in the thing. Do things change when they turn 18? Oh yeah. Like, despite if you're still going to school or whatever, you're emancipated when you turn 18. Yeah. You're emancipated when you turn 18. You make decisions for yourself. Fuck everybody else. Especially like through the government and everything. So, and like hospital decisions, like medical decisions, it's all through her. And she can't even talk, right? And so like, basically like, what would happen, like if I did not, like, I guess I could, if I did not get adult guardianship, like if the doctors and everything were like, if let's say they are helpful, like they will like listen to my decisions and basically like, oh, first of all, they'd have to be like, is it okay if we talk to this guy here, like your dad? And she would have to like somehow like shake her head yes. And sometimes, yeah, she'll just like shake her head yes, hopefully. And they'll be like, okay. And so then they'll like talk to me. And then like if she would have to approve all the decisions. Like, my dude, your situation is very unique. Yeah. Since she can't like talk, so you would have to get a court to declare her. Yeah, basically like, and you can do this with anybody, right? But like, if they're disabled, like, or someone had like a really bad car accident where they can't make decisions for themselves any longer, the courts would have to like guarantee that. So I guess once a year there's like kind of like a review. But my lawyer will handle all that. But yeah, so now that I have guardianship, like, I guess if they're like mean, they could just ignore me, right? And then like the doctors, let's say like the doctors can just start just doing whatever, because like she'll just say yes to everything, right? So they'll be making a situation. So I'm kind of like, I need to be put in a situation where she can't be taken advantage of. I say you have skills as a programming engineer, hope you get something in a related field, just need to take care of the personal stuff first. Yeah, that's why I'm like, I'm hoping like once she turns 22, so it's like 4 more years, I can probably go out in the field. But I know people that's like kind of been in my position and they're going to school, started going to school like at the age of 50 and then found jobs someplace. So I think as long as I keep my skills brushed up and like programming and everything, like I can carry on this stuff and not be too rusty. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm looking forward to. And if me doing this shit like kicks off something somehow, like online, then that's even better. Freelancing sounds like a good fit. Huh. I wonder if they can do like, I don't know, as long as I just don't want to get paid like pennies. Cause like you can get like shit. They can get somebody from India, right? Freelance is what you suggest. Like where would I find that? You have to advocate. You have to sell yourself. Oh, okay. Man, I guess I could try. I have a feeling like someone would just fuck me over. Yeah. If I ever make it big, you'll be the first I ever contact. Charge top dollar once you receive clients and word of mouth spreads. Ah. Do I have to apply for that shit? Because right now, like my LinkedIn, like I haven't updated it. I think LinkedIn's like the worst. I think it's like one of the top. It's one of the biggest cesspools in social media like ever. Is the Tinder with suits? There's a lot of door knocking, emailing. All my homies hate LinkedIn. It's so fucking fake, right? Maybe I'd be like, hey Grok, write me a LinkedIn message. I did work on like, I did kind of shortly work in one startup, but they didn't want to fucking pay me. They're like, oh, you'll get all the experience of just doing this and you'll be all fine and dandy. It's like, no way, dude. There's no way I'm programming all this shit and just doing it for free. Exposure. Never got any job from LinkedIn. Jobs only connected messages. Yeah, maybe I'll like open it up. I've been kind of like mum about it. Can I be incognito? I wonder if I can make a Nyata Neko page on LinkedIn. I didn't get my job through LinkedIn. Got it through a job fair for my last career. Ah. Are you out west also, Don? If you act like a rep of LLC. Ah. Okay, so you're like West Coast. All right. Got a couple West Coasters out there. Yeah, I'm still Midwest. I'm still Midwest. Try to connect. Anybody need some? Well, I was thinking about trying to do like an internship too. You know, at least like internships will give you like stuff to put in your resume and they pay you, especially like for engineering and stuff. Typically they pay you. Here's the thing, like the stuff that I show them is like stuff that I work on in here, and like my incognito I guess lifestyle, I'm very open about my politics and shit. Get some old friends that work in the field to help you out. I could probably try to connect them, like people that I went to school with. Yeah, I could probably do that. The thing is like, okay, I wouldn't be able to stream any longer unless I was like doing that shit while I was streaming. You've known for a while. So like I got into computer shit basically like when I turned like 35 into programming. That you went out to drinks, etc. Yeah, I think there's maybe like one guy. Yeah. Maybe I can hit him up. I don't even know if I have his phone number any longer. I think he's still on Facebook. Yeah, because he was getting his he got like a degree in math, and he was going back to school to get a electrical engineering degree. You gotta tap those contacts. Yeah, but he was like the only one I really drank with. We went to a bar once on campus. I guess I could like contact my thesis advisor. Yeah. Like we have a pretty good relationship. Okay, so I got tap anyone you know, explain your situation briefly, and see if they can tap any other contacts. That's a good idea. Yeah, because I do feel fucking trapped. I do feel trapped. And I don't mind doing part-time work. I was like, now that my daughter is 18 though too, I can also like work basically like looking after her, and they'll pay me. Ha! But I gotta like follow like a program that they do though. Get paid to watch my daughter. Hell yeah. But like those are limited hours too, right? Ah, shit, I got caught talking. What was I doing? Update YouTube. All right. If anything, just keep skills up, focus on doing things that help you interviewing skills. Yeah. Don't say stupid shit. Yeah, it was kind of like right when I graduated, the lockdowns happened. What the fuck, Dio? What the fuck, Dio? Don't be a shitter. Yeah. Well, I'm never like political at work. Got to be polite. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. I mean, like, although when I was a boss, they said I was like abrasive. I don't remember being abrasive about shit. Graduate? Yeah, I'm a graduate. I got my MSECE. Yeah. In computer electrical engineering. I like robotics. In programming, I like building systems. You can look into doing hardware work too. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I'm kind of a big deal. Yeah, combine hardware and software. You got, yeah. Like, yeah, I like Arduino and shit. I have worked like on some of the like other microcontrollers and other systems outside of Arduino. My C++ is it's not as good as my Go. It's not as good as my Go. Although I was kind of rusty in my Go. Yeah. Like I made like some like being able to make libraries and stuff like that, like for microcontroller things. Like I made like a fan controller for I made a furnace. Fucking piece of shit. Here we go. I made a furnace, right? And so it's like a trash can out of the lid. It's fucking. This is like So like there's like I want to call it like thermal like was it bedding? Basically it's high temperature like insulation here. And erase this. We get decent at C++. And so like in here I put coal. So like I put coal in there and I gotta light it up. So let's say this is like coal and shit. So you gotta, and this is like the good coal that like you gotta keep a fan on it and you gotta have a temperature. So like I also here, let's make this blue. So I put like a fucking piece of shit. Here we go. So that was like a thermal sensor, thermometer, so to speak, high temp one. I had one there. And then that was connected to like I had a controller. And then like on the bottom here, this is my latest like hardware project that I had. On the bottom I had a fan. So, and I 3D printed like a thing to hold the fan, like a square thing. So let's say this is a fan and this was connected to that. Let's give it a wire. Like this is the wire, this is the wire. So here I was trying to control, like, I was doing a very bad job at it. But I could check the temperature. I was wanting to have, it was really good at sustaining a temperature, but like getting up to it, it had a hard time doing. And so like usually I would just like, I'd have to tend to it for the first 30 minutes until like it got hot enough where I can just like have it like do it by itself. But like the coal, like it would like sustain the temperature of the coal and to keep it like at a certain degree Celsius. Make sure you keep your contacts warm. Like if you're not looking now, just keep them within friendly relationships so you can tap them later. And they say, I got you. All right. Yeah. Yeah. I'll start being friendly. I'll start commenting on their stuff, or maybe I can like call them or something. Yeah. Once my friend, like he basically like the one that I went drinking out with, he started having kids and shit. And then he moved out to Pennsylvania. The bad thing about using coal is that like it gets hot and then like this shit. So this uses like ceramics, high temp ceramics. Like cause I'd use like, not blocks, so to speak, but I use like fire bricks and or like fire cement, and that shit melts at high temperatures. And so like in there, like a melt in. Also, like you get like shit gets hot enough, like it basically turns like ash into glass. And so cleaning this fucking thing out is such a pain in the ass. So definitely go with gas. Go with gas. It's probably like a lot easier to clean up and everything like that. I still got like 3 bags of coal. Like, so I got like 120 pounds of coal. So yeah. And then like it'll also stick to the bottom of the crucible. So I had like a fucking screen on top too with like 3 buttons. So I can like tell the temperatures and stuff. And like my main laptop, since like ash was coming out, hot ash was coming out and shit, it burned out some of my pixels on my laptop. I'm like, motherfucker. I don't want to have to replace it. If I replace that shit, it's like, I think it's still like $80 to replace. Michael Reeves vibes. Yeah. Michael Reeves. That dude's crazy. That dude's like literally insane. I wish I had like the drive. I didn't really get like interested in programming until I was like older. I wish I had it when I was younger. But I wanted to like, okay, so what got me into computer engineering is I was like, motherfucker, like, why don't these drivers for my AMD thing work? Like, I want it to do what I want it to do, right? And like, I want to be able to write code and all that. So I was like, okay, eventually like that turned into me like going to school for that. And then I found out that's like fucking hard as fuck. But I still liked programming after doing that. Like being able to build your own systems, like have things work the way you want. It's pretty fun. It's pretty fun. And not having to deal with like other people's software. Yeah. Yep. Love it. Welcome to CS&C. Yeah. I like it. Yeah. Courses were tough. Yeah. The data structures wasn't too bad. I had like a algorithms class. That was fucking hard. I probably couldn't even like big O, little O, all that shit. What was it? Like little O is fucking hard. Little O is like really hard. Right? Am I thinking of the same right thing? Like, yeah. It's really hard to like prove those. I always struggled with that. Big O notation. Yeah. Big O is like not too bad. Or like trying to figure out if something's like, what was it? Like, where you have to prove something, if it's like, what is it? Polynomial, or like, what's the other one? Like, if it's, oh shit, what do they say that? What do they call those 3 things? The DSA questions. Yeah. Yeah. I always struggle with that. I still got the book. I like how the book said, like, the author said, there's no like answer sheet for this. Okay, like, not code complexity, like, I'll put in code. Code complete. Time, I guess time. There's big O, elementary operations, got login, exponential time. Well, yeah, what do they call it when it's like, not polynomial, but like when it's like a factorial. Did someone say factorio? 10 to 8 rule. What is this? Would you like a specific piece of code? What is it called? Like, there's like polynomial. Linear, quadratic. Oh man, I have to get the book out. I think I'm gonna skip over this. But I've always had a hard time. Like, you had like basically compared to like an algorithm that, and how you gotta say like how like similar it is to this one algorithm that's like well known, and then you could tell like what the time complexity is, and like how can you tell if a code is polynomial versus what are the other things called? Help me out, teacher. Is this really it? Super polynomial? Okay. Code is polynomial. What? Versus I'm gonna have to fucking whip out my fucking how to check if a linear code is polynomial. I have to fucking pull out my book. I still have my book. I thought about going over my book and checking out like those things. So anyways, that's how rusty I am on this shit. But yeah, I like controller. I like building controllers. I like my systems and signals class a lot. That's fun. That's fun. Because you can do like, you can use like microcontrollers, or you can use something like a PID. Those are fun. You can have like feedback loops, and you're just using straight up like electrical signals and shit. You can like set up like an electrical signal, and then like, because you can have like a signal and like this here just what are they, you know, those things that are okay, how they can like pictorial, what are those coolers called? What's the effect when you put two metals together and it creates a voltage difference? All right. Is it thermoelectric effect? Okay. I thought they had like a different name for it. The Peltier effect. So it does like a Peltier effect on that. And I forget which two metals that they use for like the really hot ones. So, but like there's just a small little, you know, there's a small little temperature effect, but like you can quote unquote, I want to say program a circuit, but you can build a circuit where like it takes that in, and then like you use like a amplifier to subtract the signals, and like, which can also have something control the fucking oh, what is it? Another thing that'll control like the speed of the fan. It'll probably, the PWM would probably be harder to do, but it, like you can control like the voltage of the fan, right? And that can control the speed of it. So like you'd be like, oh, it's just too hot, and then like you can make it so this fan will speed down when it's too hot, and then like, because yeah, it'll take the temperature you're looking at. Like you'll have like a, this was like the notation kind of like you'd have something like this, and then like this is like what you want, and this is the feedback loop, and then like you'd have like circuits and shit like that here, but they, yeah, and then you have this. So like You can add them together or subtract them or whatever, but you want to have this as close to 0 as possible. Right, so when it's 0, well, I think that's correct. Yeah, because it takes the output. So this is like your desired output. Yeah. OD. OA. Yeah. So like I make a comparison, but like you might have like your fan here or whatever, and then like you'd have like something here, and you can have like something here too, right? And oh, this actually, can I shrink this? All right, I love it. Love it. So this will go out, and then you can have like something here. So this is like this. I guess this could control the fan. Yeah. Something like that. Erase this. That's not erase. I always like building these things. Those are fun. But this is like, I mostly do this for continuous circuits. Controllers. Control theory. I love control theory. Initialize video. So I just figured out a problem. So if I'm doing an update on stuff, right, and I'm downloading, I wanted to go into embedded, but web was more interesting at the time. Yeah. When I look at web stuff, like when I kind of started the web stuff, oh man, like some of my first classes, like when I was like my freshman year in year 2000 of first time I went to college, we did some web things. That's before JavaScript. That's when we still had like hamsterdance.com and people were using Flash. Oh yeah, baby. But yeah, I didn't really like web stuff. Oh yeah. Embedded's fun. Like I do like the embedded stuff because it's like building robots is fucking fun. Or like, I guess it's not necessarily like a robot, but like just nice little like things that you can use. I kind of want to make like a fan controller for this room that I have, and like for it to fucking like blow stuff out and all that, because I'm fucking sick and tired of having to turn on my fans and adjust the fan. So the best engineers are the lazy engineers. If you guys didn't know that. Some of my friends show me their robots. They're insane. Like lots of butlers and bombs. Oh yeah. But bomb butlers too. You got those? So like a control circuit like this that I just showed, like that kind of structure too, that could be used for like the guidance system of a missile, right? Yeah. And like, yeah, they usually set it up like this. This would be like how they would design the circuit for it and all that. And yeah, but like every like like third, fourth, fifth differential equation can kind of be put down to a second order differential equation. So you usually just evaluate it at that. Plus like the third, like when you're going so far out, like they don't really matter as much to Ultra Derek isn't going to be very healthy. Yeah. No. Because I'm too lazy. I probably got cancer from melting cans. More government spies. Oh, I do know like some people. I don't know if I can get a hold of him. He works for the government. Or at least he was. Oh, my cousin. He works for the government too. He got in a program, and maybe I can hit him up. You know they got a file on me somewhere. I don't know if they're competent enough to have a file on me. If they're confident, they'd have a file on me. That's for real. That's for real, for real. Okay, so I'm doing an update on this, but I think I'm going to have a lock on this. Like, if I'm downloading, to be honest, the current job market sucks for various reasons, but all I can say is it'll get better at some point. Yeah, it will. It always does. Right? I mean, like, other job, like, let's say AI does like take over a lot of jobs. Like, humans got to do something. They got to do something. I think I should have like a lock on this. Damn, I don't know. Close to that degree. I'm just talking about in general security issues. AI will have more engineers. They'll always try to replace and end up with 2 times the problems. I kind of believe that too. All right, so I'm kind of running into a problem. I think when all downloads are done. Okay. I will handle. Okay. I won't update if the last update is greater than 0. Yeah. No, not last update. As many SF engineers integrations as HTML. All right, so boom. Okay, so where was I doing this? I gotta use the restroom. All right. I gotta think about this here a little bit. Because if it's doing a download, I don't know if that'll fuck it up. Yeah. I don't know if that'll fuck it up. But I guess I can do like a, yeah. I'll be right back. I mean, sometimes I get hung up on things and I probably should just like write it until like I experience an error. But I'm just afraid, I just know I'm like, I'll like get hung up on something until, yeah. I should just do the true engineering thing is just YOLO it and then like, and then when the face the consequences afterwards. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Oh, where's my headphones? Just do the thing. It breaks. Go back to fix it. Yeah. I'm just afraid it's gonna be. What is it called? A race condition. I'm afraid there's gonna be like a race condition, but I think I should be okay. Okay, I think I know what to do. I'm gonna make a. I'm gonna make a function that inside of YouTube here that does that, and then I could put a mutex on it. So okay, so I can put a mutex in here. I put a mutex in here. Okay, I guess like yeah, I'll just call it mutex. My first sync dot mutex. All right, so that'll be in YouTube. All right, so this will be like I'll make like an update. All right. Here. Funk. Channel. Yeah. C star channel. And see, originally I was wanting to put them all out on top. Shit. Originally I was gonna put like all the stuff out here too, but then I decided to go back. It literally looks like an 80 HD nightmare. It can be, because you can do, there's an infinite amount of possibilities. But originally I was like wanting to just have this handle parsing the HTML, but then like I think I'm just gonna have this handle like almost everything. Yeah. Yeah. So I did like, okay, so this does the updates, but here like just grabs the new things and yeah, I'm bringing it back. I was like, oh, I can just do it in here again. So like, but here, like, I'll just do like C channel. I could just do like an update channel, but then I'd have to fucking move all this shit all over here and then delete all this. Yeah. Add channel. Temp, see that videos. Update YouTube. Yeah. Okay. I guess like here, channel, update, stream, and then we'll take in this, and then like this is these are YouTube videos, so we'll take in videos. These are new streams. Okay, so info. All right, I did not have these as pointers. All right, so which is weird. Did I? All right, I did not need that. Okay, so new streams, info, and then yeah. I don't think I need it. So it does all the checks in here too. Oh my gosh. Fuck. Okay, am I using anything outside of this? Content creator. I think I can just grab this whole thing. I think that's what I want to do. Let me copy this. All right. I said I didn't want to take this, but I think I'm going to take it. Yeah. Let's put this here. Boom. And then we'll do a content type. All right. Content. There we go. New content. And so there we go. I am somehow able to follow this. Yeah, I want to move this in here because I think it'd just be easier to put the mutex lock on it. And I could just delete this. I'll just make this yeah, I'll just delete this. I'm thinking I got the ad channel. I do like a lot of this stuff in it though too. The thing was, like, I just want to lock like this info because like, I don't want to like add on to it as I'm like downloading stuff, right? But I thought like maybe I can move this into here. But I'm not 100% sure because yeah. Because I'm doing all this stuff and this is basically inside. I was just kind of doing outside because I was originally just wanting this to grab the new info and then I was going to fuck with all of it out here. Do I still want to do it like that? So we got content creator, time, last updated. I guess I can do it outside of here. But I handle like adding all the stuff in here. Like these are the actual files, right? Yeah. Let's see how easy this will be. Am I getting anything? Import. Media fetcher, data center. Ooh. Okay, so why is that in there? There we go. What? There you go. Impossible nil cannot equal nil. What? Clip parser to go. What the fuck is going on here? It's never said anything before. Did I like what? Oh shit. I keep on hitting like Control Shift C, Control S. What's going on here? Oh, it's this. All right. Update stream. So I can lock this, right? So this checks. Okay. I think I gotta lock this whole thing. So channel C dot, because I go current link, C, Steam, new content, okay, there, and then separated, because I got, okay, they're there. Yeah, because I'm going through the things until I find URL found. Yeah, I think I gotta lock it here. Yeah. Okay, so 4. Yeah, I gotta lock it here. Yeah, it was probably a good idea to put it in here. Because if this is parallel, this will be all fuckered up. Well, it's just checking it, but let's say this is the only time to update it though. I won't be updating this. Well, I guess I could be doing like video or stream. Yeah. I won't be changing the size of it. Yeah, let's just lock it here. I think we'll be fine here locking it. C dot mutex dot lock. And then unlock. Unlock. There we go. Because I don't want to be adding in any other time. Plus, I don't want to have it locking up if it's. This is only checking URLs, right? It doesn't fucking matter. It's not changing anything. So this is the only time it changes anything. And I'm never gonna change the URLs. And only thing I'm seeing like an issue is like if I start downloading somewhere, yeah, that would be a pain. Okay, so is this HTML parser? Where was that? Like update, add channel is fine. So we got update YouTube. We'll delete this. We got the temp in there. All right, so C dot YouTube dot update content. There we go. Ooh. Oh. So here we'll put in the new content. And YouTube.content content type. There we go. There we go. I could do this, or I could be like, I can make a method that just returns that. Or I can make that an interface. Yeah. Make that content type interface. I don't need that. So, okay. Add channel. Okay. Do I want to go ahead and do that? So let's just focus on this here, because I want to start like downloading. All right. So this is updating the stuff, right? And so like should do like a funk like C star. So for you inputs, do you like the idea of a dedicated scrap and then download for each service? Scraper. Yeah, I'm gonna have a dedicated scraper for, I guess. Yeah. I don't know. I don't understand what. Like, it's going to be scraping. I'll have a channel, and like, what this is going to be is like, I have, when I enter in the information, I'm going to be like, hey, this is like a new content creator, right? And then like, I'll put in the links of where their locations are. They're going to be doing it. So the only two that are supported are Twitch and YouTube right now. And then like, and then I have to designate whether YouTube's going to have just streams or just videos or both. Right. And so like it has that. And then like a scraper will then like immediately go through all that shit. And I was thinking maybe I should like immediately start downloading everything from them too at that time. That'll probably like help out a lot. Only problem is like there's stuff that I have not added that if you know, like I've sampled, but I haven't downloaded anything. Yeah. And the Henya stuff's getting old, like day by day that she does takes me on this, like that list gets older. But I guess I could just like start it from the beginning again. Yeah. I guess I could save on like space 2 by just keeping the href instead of adding this to it. Yeah. Because like this is like wasted memory space. Yeah. So, okay. I should have like a download content. Seed channel. Download. What? Oh. Am I going to put that in here too? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it in here too. Okay. I was thinking about doing it. The file manager. But I can make another file here. Video digest scrape, platform user download, platform user or something like that. I don't know. Trying out terminal commands. Yeah, I mean, like, there's gonna be like, I made like chat here. So like URL file path and like, yeah. Maybe I will like, maybe I will have like a, I want to be able to lock stuff while I'm downloading them. Like the actual like streams and stuff. I think this is something I have to work on in the morning. Later on. When I'm not so fucking tired. I think that's what I'm gonna do. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Friday. Holy fuck. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. Because I was thinking about like download content and but I don't want to have it here. I want to have like a file manager here, right? So add creator, and this was gonna be, it's like, I think I was gonna have this be its own thing, but holy shit, I think like everything's gonna be in these like data handlers. Maybe this file handler can handle like other things, maybe. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, it'll have to handle other things. Because like, okay, because I'm gonna have pointers and everything, and then I can like search, and I don't have to worry about like stuff being added in, like, because I'm gonna be like grabbing pointers. Yeah, this program's fucking complicated. Let me look up something here. Was it in Discord? Where's he at? Where are you at? Update, update. That's Miedo. What is this? All right. What the fuck? Not Docker Compose. How do I forward? Can I forward this to my email or something? I guess I can just like, okay, I'll look for it on my phone. Okay. Copy link and put it in your email. I think I'll just like scan up to, it's not like too deep. I'm going to look into this and see like how they do it. If these cron jobs like will make this easier. And if I can just, I'll see how they do it. And maybe I can like write some programs around it. Right. So, yeah, I'll have to see how they, well, it says scheduling, task schedules. Okay, yeah, I'll have to look this up and see exactly what it does. And maybe it'll have like part of it. Maybe it's basically schedule of Linux commands. You can say what type of log intervals you want. You have to like just exactly see what this is. Maybe I was hoping that it was going to be like saving the problem that I have. That I'm issuing, like I'm gonna have to write down what I want to do. I can't just do this like in my head, I think. So I think I gotta like sit down and write down exactly what I want it to do and like where I want to put it and how I'm gonna put it in there, instead of like this like doing it all on the fly. I'm gonna have to have like a little bit of a whiteboard moment or whatever, and really map out like how I want this to work and where I want it to work. Because now I'm about ready throwing everything into here, and I really don't want to do that. Got to do it all that, yeah. And I really don't want to like put it all in here, because this right now it's heading towards this. These two things are just handling everything, and I want to kind of handle a lot of it outside of it. But there's like these things are like holding all the saved data, right? Like this is being saved into a file and being pulled back out. So this has the stream infos in it. In the info here, this has like video path. So that's the path and like the chat path and everything. Yeah. But maybe I need a yeah, these are pointers, so that's good. That's good. Yeah. Here's the structure I like to use. Here, let me do this. I don't know if... There. Let me make this available. If you're interested. If people are interested in joining my server, all right. Video digester. Are you making what the same thing right now? Just for fun, or? You're crazy, dude. Well, you got part of it. You know, you're using the YouTube API and all that. $23 lines left. How do I like download this shit? I'm starting to think like SQL will solve like a lot of these issues too. It's a chat GPT README to keep track of things. I almost think like I'm thinking like I should have like a to-do archive, right? And then like when I'm done with whatever's in here, I can move it. I should have like an archive, and then like a to-do. You know what I'm saying? So clips info, like I got clip info. What the fuck is clip info? Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, so I have like streams. I think I should have like one that's here and then like a to-do to-do downloads or whatever, and then like move it into like a thing. But like doing this clips archive thing would be kind of pain in the butt to check both of those. The main thing is backfill. Yeah, getting the most recent is easy. Yeah. And then I think I might be able to like replace this. I don't know. The thing is like I'm gonna be running in parallel. I don't need to be, maybe I can just to avoid a lot of these headaches, I don't need to run like what I can do. I can do one channel at a time concurrently. And then like, ooh, that'd be okay. 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 It's just when to figure out when to stop the jobs, right? So to speak. So when I save the whole thing. Because I could just have this all kind of like running concurrently and then like, yeah, if there's like a power outage, this thing will be fucked. If you make a terminal command, the job will self-terminate. Yeah. Well, there'll have to be like cleanup and everything. But like, let's say I just do like one channel at a time. I have one go routine on one channel at a time for downloading all that. And then like, and I'll always like, I'll have like run job. And I could check to see if it's for the day, if it's check to see for the day if it's done an update, and if it has not, do an update to check the update the links, so to speak, and then it'll do this thing. And then like after that, then I can download it, like try to download it all. If you make it a terminal command, the job will self-terminate. The way you can protect against power outages is a completion flag in the database. Ah, yeah. Yeah, I'm starting to think like having a like using a database would be better. But maybe, but like I am building like everything on top of this right now. But I think that what like using something like MongoDB would probably be best, since I'm using like JSONs and the documents are basically JSONs, right? So SQLite is the easiest, but the best quality of life is Supabase. Yeah. Because right now this is just a string, a slice of Mongo is pretty good. I've used MongoDB before. It's been years, but yeah. Docker containers, true to that. I think like, I think I can make one and put it in my TrueNAS. I wonder if they got like here. Let me see what they got. Because they got like containers, apps, Prometheus. Anything LLM. Yeah, and these are all Dockers. Yeah. There's MongoDB. Ooh. You said like super something? Super base. What? User screens. What the fuck is this shit? Alright, I don't think there's a super base. Super. You can do object store. Ah. I really want to take advantage of my my TrueNAS. Torrent trackers. Minio. Min.io. What is this? Code server is VS Code in the browser. We could do Bitcoin. Factorio server. What's S3? Simple storage service. Ooh. Okay. Cloudflare. Fuck Cloudflare. What is this shit? Security. Copy party. For programs. They used to have like Git what is that, like open source Git? It's not GitHub. Why can't, what the fuck? I type in Git. Git. Ah. Get tea with a cup of tea. Get with a cup of tea. I wonder what the difference between this was. A runner for get tea based on act. I don't know what that is. A runner? This looks like, just like GitHub. What are runners? Build. This looks just like GitHub. Did they just fucking copy everything? When you commit or do some action, it can do a build process. Yeah, this looks like just like old one. Wait a sec. What? XORM? Oh, okay. So weird. Scary shit. That's what it does. Homer is a dead simple static home page for your server to keep your services on hand for a simple YAML configuration file from, I'm sorry. Huh. They have some interesting little apps in here I never install. So like I installed, what did I have on here before? I did, what's that game called? Pal World. and then they updated it and I couldn't like re-update it. Check out Min.io. Yeah. I had to like hack that shit. I had to fucking hack it. And like copy all the files over and then create a new one and like move the save over. Cause like we had like a good amount of game that we played. It was like a week's worth of gaming and then they did an update. The official Niana. In his brain cell. I'm at 99999. What the fuck is this? Didn't ask. Fuck off, bitch. Min.io. Let me type that in. For AI, ML, analytics, and cloud-native workloads. It enables storing unstructured data at scale. Oh, it's saving all in there. This will probably be like something on top of what I'm doing here. This is gonna be like the base that you can play in Discord. Oh my gosh. All right, I think I'm gonna call it here. I'll probably be on during the day today. I gotta whiteboard this. Yeah. Yep. So I think yeah. I think I kind of have an idea. Because I can copy over sections of it, like slices. I think I'll be fine. It's just this updating part I gotta lock. Yeah. So, yeah. I think I'm probably overthinking things and I should just write it. And then like add in the locks later. So trying to like figure out where I might need it later on down the line. I think that's part of my problem. Right. So I think that's part of my problem. I'm pretty sure that's like all my problem. I'll get like stuck on that. All right. Eventually I will. I'll finish this. I really should start with like a. I should really start with the Twitch and get that going, and then like YouTube in a second. Yeah. All right, everybody, have a good one. Stay out of trouble, and I appreciate you all. And thank you, Comfy. And was it Dom? Donuven. Thank you. And thanks for the raid earlier. Wish I knew how to do shout outs. But thank you, Grimjaw. Oh, thank you for helping me earlier. Also, I don't know if you're part of my Discord. But I sent like a link here. Ah, shit, wrong one. What'd I do? Feel free to join it if you want. No pressure. Wrong keyboard. I was like, hey, shit. So, feel free. There's a lot of there's all types of people in this Discord. There's VTuber enjoyers and yeah, and like programmers and yeah, some tech guys that get the nitty gritty, and like all types of people. Warehouse people too, and all that shit. Yeah. But I do have a forums too, like if people like want to like how do I put it? Like yeah, I got a programming for thing, so like if you like want to show off your projects and shit, or like, yeah, it's just a forum for programming. Maybe I should have a forum for like VTubers. The VTuber forum. Why your Oshi is the best. So. Yeah. Roulette. Yeah, Colonel Roulette. Hell yeah, brother. 1 through 10. It should be like 1 through 6. Anyways, all right. Thank you, everybody. Have a good one. Stay out of trouble. And I'll try to get on during the day. Hopefully I don't sleep until 3 p.m. Yeah. I'll try not to do that. I'd really like to get this done. I'm at the hard part. I'm at the fucking hard part. So, yeah. All right. Peace out, everybody. Bye-bye.